Finally! This is the last video of my trip in Oahu, Hawaii 2022, and I saved the best for last. I'm at the Lion Arboretum and it's part of the University of Hawaii. It's located near Manoa, the school that I'm going to transfer into, and it's the 4th of August. And check this out. It has over 6,000 taxa of tropical and subtropical plants, all in nearly 200 acres. Oh man, I'm so excited to talk about today's video. I feel like a kid in a candy factory right now. And before I get too ahead of myself, just because something is edible or medicinal, it does not mean you should eat or use. Things like contaminated soil could cause more harm than help. Do your research. And also, I'm an amateur at botany, so if I made a mistake, let me know in the comments below, so let's jump straight into it. Here we go! Pimenta dioica, or allspice, is of the Myrtaceae family. It's native to Central America and the Caribbean. The allspice has a cinnamon-like flavor and is derived from its dried-up berries. This is Brugmansia arborea, or the angel's trumpet. It's of the Solanaceae family, like peppers and potatoes. Hedychium, or the ginger lily, is of the Zingiberraceae family. It's an herbaceous perennial, and like other gingers, they have rhizomes, a modified stem that grows underground. Colocasia esculenta, or the taro, is a staple crop, and there are over 300 varieties. This is the diamond joey palm, or the Johannesteijsmannia altifrons. And it's of the Ericaceae family. It's slow growing and it's mainly ornamental. Look, it has big leaves. It looks like a giant fan or a seashell. It's great for slapping someone. We have the Magnolia grandiflora of the Magnoliaceae family, and Arenga porphyrocarpa of the Palmae family, and these guys like it more shady and moisty conditions. Calathea lietzei albertii is of the Marentaceae family. It's a really popular houseplant that likes its humidity. Like other Calatheas, they are sensitive to their environment. There are several Rhododendron species, here of which is aurigeranum, which is of the Ericaceae family. Ctenanthe of the Marentaceae family is also here. Cibotium chamissoi, or the Hawaiian tree fern, it's endemic and native to Southeast Asia. It's used in erosion control and likes its soil acidic. This is the Ficus elastica, or the rubber fig, and it's of the Moriaceae family. However, the rubber fig that I know of is more of a houseplant or a shrub, but I did not know it could be a tall tree. You can see all its aerial roots coming down. Citrus, maxima, or the pomelo, which is related to grapefruits, and they're huge. That thing's gonna drop on someone's head. How yummy. I'm currently editing this, and it looks like I skipped a plant in this shot. There's a Heliconia on the right side. This other guy is quite far from the path that I can't get to, but this is Etlingera elatior, or the torch ginger, and it's quite pretty with its crimson flowers. It's an herbaceous perennial of the Zingiberraceae family. It's native to Thailand, Malaysia, and New Guinea. This is Warszewiczia coccinea, or the pride of Trinidad. It's a tree or shrub from Central and South America. Its flowers are inflorescent and are ornamental. Tacca chantrieri, or the bat flower, is one of the coolest plants. It's of the Dioscoraceae family. It has whiskers, or the bracteoles. It has bracts that look like bat wings. Microporus affinis, or the bracket fungi. These brats are so annoying. It's of the Polyporiaceae family. I know that these guys can come in different colors like blue. This one is dark brown, orange, and tan. From here on out, these will be my educational guesses. While on the topic of fungi, these things are really cool. They're like white balls growing all over the tree. Maybe it's a mushroom or a fruit. The sign says Ludovita lancifolia, but they have more narrow leaves. I'm pretty sure this is a different plant like a Calathea. I might be wrong about this, but it looks like an Acalpha espata. Regardless, it looks like Elmo was growing some plants. This is Nymphaea, or maybe Lotus or Orodata. The white contrasting its yellow makes it stand out. This is Brisi, I genuinely don't know. Maybe an imperialis? It's ginormous in that little pot. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-quarter lean way. Yay. This is a chema, but looks like Fendleri or possibly a nudicalis. It's pretty with its pink, purple, and blue coloration. This guy is most likely Alternithera brasiliana and looks herbaceous. Its blackish purple leaves are very pretty. You can see its new green leaf transitioning into that matured coloration. Why hello there, it's definitely a Pilenia, maybe an Involucrata. These pink things look like Tillandsia cyanea. They do look like origami. Ah yes, a cabbage. Last but not least, this is the Pandanus tectorius, or the screw pine. It's of the Pandanaceae family, and you'll find them throughout Hawaii. They look like palms with aerial roots. And that's that. I'll put some more information in the description. Otherwise, have a terrible day.